is really something that could make a fundamental difference in this state. The human trafficking laws, these were very, very difficult provisions to negotiate. We were at it for literally weeks and weeks and weeks. These are proposals that have been discussed for years, but were never done. So there's tremendous progress that is in that women's equality agenda. We sent up 10 bills as individual bills.
We have child prostitution, human trafficking, we have sexual harassment, we have housing discrimination. We have so many important issues that we can take up today to protect women, but they're going to throw it all out the window.
So at this point, there is no way to reconcile unless the Speaker brings forward those 10 individual pieces of legislation, which he can still do. We are still in session.
Like, wouldn't it be smarter to bring all 10 pieces of legislation to the floor for us to vote on, and then put the pressure on the Senate to bring the 10th piece to the floor and have everyone in the Senate vote on it? Why isn't that a strategy that they're considering so that we actually get something done? What was that?
Why do we have to run this House like it's a dictatorship, that we can't have a democracy and vote on each piece of legislation separately?
I almost feel like it's an insult to women here in the state of New York that this is how we choose to do politics here in New York State.
And they're actually going home achieving nothing because they don't want to vote on these bills separately. And that's a real shame.
The people of the state deserve a vote. And even more so, I don't think there's any reason not to give them a vote.